In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to your WooCommerce product gallery. Adding a product video is a great way to show your customers how your product looks, works, or fits in real life. And in this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple plugin-based method to do exactly that. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main control panel for your site. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Move your mouse over the item labeled Plugins. Don't click yet, just hover over it. A small submenu will appear. From that submenu, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin installation screen, where you can browse and search for tools to extend your site. At the top left of this page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type Featured Video, then press Enter on your keyboard. WordPress will search the plugin directory and show you a list of matching plugins. Give it a few seconds to load the results. From the search results, look for a plugin called Featured Video Plus. This plugin is free and works nicely with WooCommerce product pages. Once you find it, click on it to open the plugins information page. On the right-hand side, you'll see a button that says something like Install and Activate. Go ahead and click that button. WordPress will download and install the plugin for you, and once it's finished, you'll be redirected back to your main plugins list, where you'll see that Featured Video Plus is now active. Now it's time to add a video to one of your products. In the left-hand menu, look for Products. Hover over it, and then click All Products. This will open a list of all the products in your WooCommerce store. Find the product you want to enhance with a video, and click its title to open the product editor. Inside the product editor, look over to the top right area of the screen. You should now see a section labeled Featured Video. In this section, there is a field where you can paste a video URL, such as a link from a supported video platform. You'll also see an icon on the right side of that field. If you click that icon, a pop-up will open with your WordPress media library, and from there you can either choose an existing video file or upload a new one from your computer. In this example, we'll just use a URL. Paste your video link into the field. After you paste the URL, wait a moment while the plugin loads your video. Once it's processed, you'll see a small preview appear in that featured video section. This preview is a good way to confirm that the link is valid and that WordPress recognizes your video correctly. When you're happy with the video, go to the Publish panel on the right side of the editor. Click the Update button to save your changes. WordPress will refresh the page and your product will now include that featured video in its gallery on the front end of your WooCommerce store. That's all you need to do to add a video to your WooCommerce product gallery using the Featured Video Plus plugin.